In this guide, I'll show you how to find the model name of your ASUS laptop. So it's nice and straightforward. We just need to head over to the Start menu and you're going to search for System Information, then click on the System Information window. Inside of here, you'll see a bunch of different information about your system, such as the operating system and processor information. And also inside of here, you can find both the system model and name. So this System Model tab, this is the model of our computer. And you'll also find these digits at the end, and this is our model number. So what I can do is I can just type in these numbers to an internet browser and I'll find out all the information I need to know about my laptop. And you can also find the model number of your ASUS laptop as well by coming over to the back of the laptop. And you can see really small down here, we have this model right at the top. And this is the same number that was just displayed on the system information. So you can also fetch the model name from here without even needing to start up your PC. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.